gosh. Hey, little ones. You're soaked. Hold on. Let's get you out of the rain. It's okay. I got you. Just a minute. We're going to get you warm. You're okay. You're okay. There we go, sweet one. So we'll taste. That's good, huh? Okay, your turn, Pumpkin. Good job. And you, little snowdrop. Perfect. All right, all together now. That's it. Share nicely. Oh my gosh, look at them.
They're so curious.
Gentle little guys.
The chick's holding its own.
Yeah, totally fearless.